Welcome back to another episode of AEC Around KC. In the last couple of weeks, we've seen a lot of rainfall here in Kansas City, and thankfully there hasn't been a lot of serious flooding issues due to stormwater. And we have a lot of engineers and public works employees to thank for that and all their hard work that they do to keep our communities safe. I'm here with Katie Bushong, and she's a project engineer at BHC Roads, and she is our go-to for stormwater projects. She's a certified floodplain engineer, and she has 12 years of experience in planning and infrastructure design projects. Katie, what is stormwater and where does it go?
Stormwater is simply the rainwater that falls from the sky during rain events. When stormwater falls, it either absorbs into the ground or will follow the natural contours of the earth to either a low spot or a curb inlet or an area inlet and gets captured. From there, it travels via networks of pipes to our creeks and rivers.
How does stormwater affect our communities?
Engineers and communities design, plan, and implement stormwater projects. When done efficiently, they're not impacted. If you don't control the stormwater, flooding happens, and flooding can be minor property damage or major structural damage.
Katie's currently working on a project under Renner Road for the city of Shawnee. Katie, tell us a little bit about that project and what your role has been.
Sure. The city of Shawnee hired us to replace an aging stormwater system underneath Renner Road, and I'm the project engineer. I'm responsible for the hydrology and hydraulics of the pipe design and also bringing everything up to current design standards.
So what services did BHC Roads provide to the project?
BHC Roads provided the topographic survey and property survey for this project. In our public works team, we did the pipe condition assessment results and submitted them to the client. We are currently in the middle of pipe analysis and final design.
What are some unique features about this project?
There are two unique features. The first unique feature is the topography of Renner Road itself. It's down below Shawnee Mission Parkway and has two concrete embankments on either side of it that are at a 50% slope. There are 3 pipe segments underneath this embankment that are not feasible for regular pipe replacement. So we're going to use trenchless technology called CIPP, cured in place pipe technology, to extend the life of these pipes. The second unique thing about this project is the guardrail that aligns Renner Road. This guardrail protects motorists from running into the bridge columns. However, this guardrail sits right on top of the current curb inlets. We're going to have to anchor the guardrail, the posts, to the top of the curb inlets. Usually, guardrail posts are anchored in the ground a couple feet.
Word on the street is you have a new piece of equipment that we're using on this project. Can you tell us about it?
Sure, I do have a shiny new toy. Public work team here at BHC Roads has purchased a pipe inspection camera. This will aid us in getting very current data to our clients to tell them what's going on down in the pipes. This information immensely helps our clients prioritize their pipe projects.
Overall, how are stormwater projects improving our communities?
The goal of any stormwater project is to mitigate or eliminate flooding altogether. When properly controlled, flooding will not impact your property, and then it is outlet to creeks and rivers like this.
Great, well thanks Katie. That's all for this episode of AEC Around KC. You can see more videos and project updates at our website at ibhc.com/elevatetheindustry. Thanks for watching.